My idea of a perfect Christmas is to spend it with you in a party or dinner for two, anywhere would do, celebrating the Yuletide season always lights up our lives. Simple pleasures are made special too when they share with you. Looking through some old photographs, faces and friends I'll always remember, watching busy shoppers rushing about in the cool breeze of December, sparkling lights all over town, children's carols in the air, but a Christmas tree, a shower of stardust on your hair. I can think of a better Christmas than my wish coming true. And my wish is that you'd let me spend my whole life with you. Ayan. May my wish coming true this Christmas. Sana matapos na tong COVID na to. Looking through some old photographs, faces and friends I'll always remember, watching busy shoppers rushing about in the cool breeze of December, sparkling lights all over town, children carols in the air, but a Christmas tree, a shower of stardust on your hair. I can think of a better Christmas than my wish coming true. And my wish is that you'd let me spend my whole life with you. My idea of a perfect Christmas is spending it with you. People making lists, buying special gifts, taking time to be kind to one and all. It's the time of year when good friends are near, and you wish you could give more than just presents from the store. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? Oh, even the man who has everything would be so happy if you would bring him love on Christmas Day.
Christmas Day.
No people you don't know. He's smiling, not hello. Everywhere there's an air of Christmas joy. It's that once a year when the world's sincere, and you like to find a way to show the things that words can say. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day?
Christmas Day.
Oh, the man on the street and the couple upstairs, all need is to know there's someone who cares. Give love on Christmas Day.
Christmas Day.
No greater gift is than love. What the world needs is love. Yes, the world needs your love. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day?
Christmas Day.
Every little child on a Santa's knee has room for your love, God undid his tree. Give love on Christmas Day.
Christmas Day.
No greater gift is than love. What the world needs is love. Yes, the world needs your love. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day?
Christmas Day.
No greater gift is than love. Yeah, no greater gift is there than love. Kunana.
Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? Not just only Christmas,
Yes,
but
every day.
every day. O, diba? Aloha, Mega Movers. Merry Christmas, everyone. O,
Ayan,
Thank
happy
you so
watching Tito
much.
Carlos. And also the Ate Mila Pahinag.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Delmar Tugas.
O, share dan kung nata manon, apo, mga ka-movers.
Happy watching also to Madam Estelita Manlapat. And of course to Sister Arlene Raynon. Judea Gregorio Pasha.
Yes,
Ayan,
Merry
happy
Christmas,
watching, anak.
Yes. Thank you so much also for the love, Princess Jane. Pasha Kahigal, kani Manang Jackie
Jackie.
Gregorio. Thank you so much sa ipabonos mo sa kukuna.
Manama. Manama
Ah,
tayo.
diba? Datay amin.
Ayan ni Boss.